Hi there. I'm so excited that you've become a user of our dbmms.io account. And this environment is going to allow you to provide a single source of truth across your whole team. One of the problems that we have as marketers is there's thousands of pieces of data all over the place, and all of it is important to different people, but what we share as a team is a fairly finite set of information, and we want to get away from having to compile this. We want to have 24/7 access to this stuff to collaborate as a team. So this environment can customize everything. On the left sidebar, you'll find the user menu. You can configure this to have any type of link that you want in it, G Suite documents mostly, but also documents like PDFs and external applications that you embed or publish to the web. It's pretty easy to use, as you would expect. You click on it, and it displays the Google document on the right-hand side. This system is a perfect complement to your Skype or your Google Hangout conversations where your team needs to share data. Everybody can look around at the different links at their leisure, but at the same time, you're all centered on the conversation. The top bar is also customizable. You can put your corporate logo there and change the color. We also can change the sidebar background graphic, so you can really make the environment your own. At the top, there's also these two icons right here. The first one is to collapse the menus, which is great to see the Google document on the full screen. It's also really useful on a mobile device, of course. And the other one allows us to open the source document directly into another browser window. So when I click here, you can see we pop out into the native environment. The menu on the right-hand side allows us to configure the user. First menu item, set as home, makes the current page that's showing the default the next time you log into the system. My profile allows you to set up your picture and change your name and do user configuration things. Setup menu controls the sidebar menu. You can see how the menu is configured to allow for embedding of menu items under others. We have 3 levels of embedding, and it's pretty easy to move things around. We just kind of grab it. If we want the project dashboard, for example, to be under the research, we can grab that. We can move it up there, and then we scroll down to the bottom. We update the menu, and the menu is now updated. The next thing is to set up our styles. The styles are controlled by CSS. You can see some of the instructions here, and there's your CSS script right here. This color picker doesn't do anything except pick colors. So if you're looking to see, say for example, what color is that, we can get that in your RGB hex colors for use in your CSS script. So it's a quick way to kind of do that. But other than that, you edit directly inside this text. I like to take it out to a notepad first. The next thing we can do is configure users, and this will show us all the users that are available to us in our system. So that might show some external people who have already been available to be admins. You're going to be creating users that are only signed to you and that will only see your data. Lastly, if you have any feedback for us, of course you can get hold of us through our website, but here's a feedback form, and you can really help us out if you let us know what you think and how you want us to proceed. So that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed this brief little tour. Check out the other videos to figure out how to do a little bit more of the things that you need to do to be successful, and we really hope you start using SuiteMenu for your team success. Thanks a lot.